Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. With summer coming to an end and fall coming, we're going to be talking about fall maintenance. On top of all the other maintenance that you're going to keep up with your vehicle, there are some things that you need to focus now that it is fall. When it gets colder at night, you're going to actually lose pressure in your tires. So you want to make sure your tire pressure is okay. You also want to make sure that the tread on your tires is proper because it's going to be a little bit harder to stop when it's raining, and sad to say, but it could be slippery too because it will be colder. Also, you want to make sure that you have enough fluid in your windshield wipers, and your windshield wipers have enough rubber on them because you want to make sure that you can see properly as you're driving, and with it getting foggy and everything else like that, you just want to make sure that you can see. Also, one of the side things, you might want to invest in rubber floor mats because with getting in and out of the car with all the soggy leaves, you just want to keep your interior nice. If you're looking for a car for the fall season, come in and see us at Byrider Waukesha, W226S1700 Highway 164, or you can give us a call at 262-506-3131. We look forward to working with you. And if you have any questions about maintenance on your vehicle, stop in and see us at the Waukesha location or our Byrider Service Center.